I'm also cooking mushroom which was in the refrigerator freezer for a long time. So just put little water. I'm gonna add the chopped garlic, ginger, onion and mint leaves. So I'm gonna add little bit. I have one big samosa here. Let it get cooked because it's too big. I'll show you this one little. See, to my mushroom, I add a little chili powder, turmeric powder, hink, salt. With that, the masala I made for samosa, like a ginger, garlic, onion, and mint leaves. I put them there also. So it will smell good, taste good. I didn't add anything like water or anything. I mean oil. So not water. I add a little water for the mushroom to be cooked. I know it cooks well by itself, but I want because it was in the freezer. So I just took it. My husband bought like 2-3 boxes of mushroom. I don't want to waste it. To this mushroom, I'm adding little boiled oil. Not see. So it won't stick in the pan. Little bit, not a lot. So it's the oil is getting boiled. I just finished making samosa. It will give nice samosa smell. You can add if you want potato or anything. You can add to the mushroom. Maybe I'll try to add shrimp. One or two. Yeah, I'm gonna try that because I have lots of shrimp. So that's okay. If it is little mushy, that's fine. See, to my mushroom, I'm frying potatoes, only one potato and 3 shrimp. Frying, lightly frying in oil. Then I'll add with my mushroom. Okay, yeah. And also I added curry leaves, coriander leaves and mint leaves just to give you a taste. Look at my mushroom, guys. I mean, you can make anything the way you want to eat. It might look little oily. I'm gonna add lemon juice on the top. Then I will eat with brown rice quinoa. I have already, see, look at my mushroom, shrimp and potato, how it came. I'm gonna add lemon juice. Does it look nice, beautiful? This is hot oil. I made samosa. Then from that oil I just put 1 teaspoon of oil. It's not that much oily. My food never. I don't like oily food at all. See the shrimp, it is just perfect. I cook them in oil just for a few minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, that's all. And the potato also. Then I mixed with the mushroom. It really tastes good. I'm gonna put lemon, just let me This is my lunch, guys. Brown rice with quinoa and mushroom potato with shrimp. I just put 3 shrimps and lettuce, tomatoes, only half of it because it was a huge tomato, and blueberries, olives, and clementine. That's all my lunch. Try my lunch, okay? You can eat with anything. I made chicken samosa for my son, but this is for me because he would not eat all the lettuce and tomatoes, all that. So, how is my lunch? Do you like it? Give me a thumbs up. Look at my plate. And also I'm going to eat some pistachio, almond, and walnuts. Because I'm getting older, I want to boost my memory, immune, all that. I modified my diet. Zoom it. Look, tomatoes, okay?